Also, as I was telling you, when we were doing the pruning, we have some rules which we're supposed to follow. We don't just cut any leaf, and that's where now the technicality comes from. So you're not going to cut all the leaves all at once. Rule number 1 said we must use clean tool for removing the branches and the leaves. That one, we already talked about it. Rule number 2, it says from 0 inch up to 12 inches, everything below that, you have to take them off. Why? Because you are preventing the disease and also improve the airflow. That is another rule now. So which means, for now, our plant here, if I take a look, it's almost 1.5 feet, you know. So, as I said, 0 up to 12, from the ground up to 12 inches, that is 1 feet. This is my 1 feet. When you put your hand like this, it's 1 feet. So let's see what we're going to take, which means we're going to take everything here. I'm going to be taking this one here. This one, I'll take it off because it's on the ground. Because if it lies on the ground, it's going to whatever, the disease will actually attack the plant. So I'll take this. I'll also take this. I'm going to take this, and then this. So this is our first pruning of this plant, like ever since it started existing. This is our first pruning, which means I'm also going to take this. The reason is I'm looking at 12. So this is here, this is 1 feet. At least I now have from the ground up to here 1 feet. Now they say the rule says after 12 inches, that is 1 feet, and then to 18. Now you start allowing the first branch and the fruiting branches to start developing. So, which means we have our first fruit here. Of course, it is after 1 inch. You can see here. When I measure this, this is 1 inch. So these ones here, I'm not going to cut these ones down. And again, what do we do? They said